share. It's a nice word. It wasn't that great this time, but I was thinking E and R. Very common. All right, so now we know there's an A in the word. I'm going hard mode here. So maybe it starts with an A. How about, we know there's no S. That's such a common letter that we don't get to have this time. How about, I don't know if it's going to start with an A. I think the A is going to be second. So something like catch, but we can't use an H again. How about patch again? There's no H. What common letters could we incorporate? How about a, ooh, this would be, oh, but again, I'm all about the H's today. That would have been great to hit up a bunch of consonants. There's no E. So a lot of people like to start with this as a common like vowel dump. Let's see if the A is in the front, and we'll see if there's a D in this word. Okay, so the A is probably, it's probably just like this. The A is probably second. It's likely second. It's not like radar or something weird like that. There's no E. So if you look at our vowel dump, what's the only other thing there is? Either a repeat A, which is kind of always in the distance, hiding in the corner, or a Y. Like, is it going to be something weird like caddy? That would be very bizarre. Is it worth it? It could also be like baddie, but probably not. Double D would be tough. I think the A is second, and we'll know if there's a Y in it. I'm going to go for it. All right. So now, at this point, this is where I say, I probably should have done the more common, whatever. If we go through our constants here, I'm at the top of the keyboard, top left. No Q, no W. Taddy's not a word. Not patty. Fatty, gaddy, jaddy, zaddy, vatty, patty. Are we? Is it patty? Or baddy is not a word. I mean, it is a villainous or criminal person, according to dictionary.com. It's gotta be paddy. Oh, yeah, like rice paddy, rice field. This is weird, though. Thank you, dictionary.com. Baddy is bizarre. I think patty, like a rice patty, is much more common than batty, so we're gonna go for it. Oh my god, idiot. I think a lot of people are gonna get busted on this one. Triple letter. How dare you, Wordle? Oh my god. I think some people really might get ruined on this one. I'm actually kind of proud I got it in 5. I should have realized right after Caddy that Patty and Batty were super bizarre. Patty the Batty, shout out. So it was in fact Daddy. This is a triple letter. I don't think I've ever seen them do this before. Let me know, sound off in comments. How did you do on this one? How many did you get it in? Did you not get it? I mean, this is historically brutal. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe. I also have math and computer science stuff. If you need help, let me know in comments. Have a beautiful, beautiful day. Thank you. Bye.